The following video is an unboxing video for the Launch X-881 Pro wheel aligner. For this job, you require 2 technicians. You will require the following tools: flat and Phillips screwdriver, 10, 13, and 14 millimeter wrenches or socket assembly, a pair of pliers, and lastly, hex Allen key number 6. The components for the wheel aligner arrive in 2 boxes. The longer camera beam box will be opened from the top panel by using a flat screwdriver to lift the metal tabs all around and remove the cover wood panel. The aligner cabinet box will be opened from the bottom rim of the top wooden box lid. Using a flat screwdriver, lift the metal tabs all around the bottom rim on all sides of the panels, then separate the wooden housing of the bottom skid by having 2 technicians lifting it up like a hat. Make sure both removed lids are placed away, leaving enough clear space to safely assemble the wheel aligner. The rail handle is not for lifting the cabinet. Lifting from the bottom, dismount the aligner cabinet off the skid and move the skid out of the way. Pull out and unwrap all parts safely packed in and around the cabinet, laying them safely in order on the ground next to the camera beam box. Now unbox the camera beam box. You will find 2 wooden fastener brackets. Unscrew the side screws holding the wooden brackets to the wall panel of the box using a Phillips screwdriver. Get rid of these brackets. Lift the camera beam assembly gently and lay it on the ground on its back. Camera face pointing to the ceiling and safely protected at all times with the factory provided camera covers. Cameras are very sensitive and should be handled properly at all times. You can now get rid of the wooden boxes. Next, watch the assembly video.